Hey everyone, so you've got your eyes set on CUET 2026, huh? Well, you've come to the perfect place. Today, we are going to break down this exam piece by piece, and I'm going to show you a way to prepare that makes every single bit of your hard work smarter. Okay, so here's what we've got on tap. We're going to start by decoding CUET 2026. Then we'll cover your foundation for success. Introduce something we call the ease to learn force multiplier, dive into the AI powered study method, and finally show you how to track your path to victory. Let's get into it. All right. First up, decoding CUET 2026. So, what is this thing really? Let's break it down and see why it's so incredibly important for your future. So, listen, the whole game has changed. Your 12th board marks, yeah, they still matter for eligibility, but they're not your golden ticket anymore. The real key, the one that unlocks the doors to over 250 universities, is your score. That's right. This is a massive national level exam, and you've got to take it seriously. Okay, you're going to want to screenshot this or write it down. These are the dates you absolutely, positively cannot miss for CUET 2026. Marked your calendars. Set reminders. Do whatever you got to do because that registration window in particular is super tight. Now, let's get into the nitty gritty of the exam itself. It's all computer based, MCQs, you know the drill. You can pick up to 5 subjects, and this is a big but, look at that marking scheme, +5 for a right answer, which is great, but -1 for a wrong one. That negative marking is a game changer. It means you can't just guess wildly. Every single answer needs to be a smart, calculated choice. Hold on. Before you even dream of filling out that application form, you need a strategy. Seriously. Follow these 4 steps. Figure out your dream universities, the courses you want, and then this is key. Check their specific eligibility criteria. Then you can finalize your 5 subjects and fill out the form. Doing this now will save you a world of pain later. Trust me. Okay, we've got the what and when down. Now, let's talk about the bedrock of your prep, your foundation for success. And that foundation, it starts with what you're already doing right here. Your NCERT books, the notes you take in school, any coaching materials you might have. This is the non negotiable core. Everything we talk about from here on out builds right on top of this. And let's be super clear about something, the studying you do on your own. It's enough. We're not here to say you need to replace all that hard work. Nope. It's to learn is not a replacement. Think of it as a force multiplier. It takes all that effort you're already putting in and just makes it smarter, faster, and way more effective. So, what is this force multiplier? Let's talk about the ease to learn system and how it can supercharge your study. So, this is it easy to learn. And the cool thing is, it's built to work with what you're already doing. So, even if you're going to coaching classes, this is a must have. It adds this layer of transparent, methodical, and just logical preparation that helps you speed things up and really know if you're ready for the big day. Okay, so how does it actually do all that? Let's walk through the AI powered study method and see the features designed to give you a serious edge. First up, we have the Gap Fixer, and this thing is brilliant. It's not just a random quiz, it's like a diagnostic tool for your brain. It literally diagnoses your weaknesses in every single topic, pinpointing the exact spots where you're struggling. This means you stop wasting time on stuff you already know and focus where you really need it. You know that feeling? It's 2 a.m., you're stuck on a concept and there's no one to ask. Well, meet Tony, you're 24/7. AI buddy, got a doubt? Tony's there to clear it up right then and there. You don't have to wait for your teacher or feel stuck. It's totally stress free learning whenever and wherever you are. All right. Next up is pace. Now, this is all about mastering the clock. Think about it. Speed without accuracy is just reckless, but accuracy without speed, you won't even finish the test. Pace is designed to build both at the same time through tons of timed practice sessions. It helps you find that sweet spot, that perfect balance, and then you step into the exam room. This is where you put it all to the test. We're talking realistic AI simulated mock tests plus all the previous year questions. It's about building that mental stamina, getting used to the pressure. So when you walk into the real exam, it just feels like another practice run. And don't worry, the system has you covered on every single type of question you could possibly face. Passage type M, CQS matching, rearrangement. Fill in the blanks. You'll practice them all. The goal here is simple, absolutely no surprises on exam day. Okay, this is all great, but how do you actually know if you're getting better? You can't just cross your fingers and hope, right? That's where the data comes in. think of the reports and analytics dashboard as your personal mission control. It's not just about seeing a score, it's about getting deep insights. You see your performance at every single step. Which topics need more work, where you're absolutely crushing it, and how your skills are trending over time. It's all right there. So, what does this all boil down to? It means your preparation stops being guesswork and becomes a science. You get this clear, step by step path to success, which ensures that all your hard work actually translates into what you want, higher scores. And just so you know, this powerful method isn't limited to just one or two subjects. We've got you covered for the English language test, general aptitude, accountancy, biology, business studies, chemistry, economics. The list goes on and on. So be sure to check out our other explainers for your specific subjects. So we'll leave you with this question. You're already putting in the hours, you're already working hard. We know that the only question left is, are you ready to work smart? Because that's what's going to make all the difference.